Hi everyone, and welcome to the new module. This module is on Microsoft Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet software. It can be used really for a lot of things. Any type of financial analysis is one thing it can be used for, accounting type applications. It can also be used as a database where you store and filter information. So there's really a lot of uses for it. Some students have used it, but a lot of students have not used Excel. And I tend to find when I teach this course that students actually enjoy learning more about Excel. So this module is going to follow along very similar to the Word module in that we're going to have two projects and kind of two sets of due dates. So this is the video that you're watching right now. As always, we have our what's due when. So this goes through everything that is due, and there's always a link to our full course calendar here. Excel lecture part 1, right? You have to watch all of these and give yourself some time. I'm just going to go in here. But there's, quite a few videos that you need to go through, so give yourself the time to do that. In addition, you'll need to watch this video as well because it has some information in there that you're going to need for your first project, okay? People have been still asking questions about the lectures and the grading of the lectures. It happens automatically. You need to watch every video. If you miss one, you will not get a grade registered. And you can see when I come in here, if I have green check marks on all of them, then I have watched them. So you can always come into my grades. I can't really show you what it looks like because I don't have any grades. And if you see the, Excel lecture, you should see a grade of 100 next to it once you've watched all the videos. So if you don't see that grade of 100, then there's an issue. So come back here and see if you missed any of the videos. This is your responsibility after you watch the videos to check to see if that grade is there. I do not recommend that you use the Blackboard app on your phone or your tablet for watching the videos because we are having some problems with it registering things. So go to Blackboard through a browser, on your laptop or on your tablet, and you can watch from there. Okay. So then we have our first Excel project. Please watch this video first before you proceed, and then you'll have your instructions here. So I'm not going to talk too much about the project because this really goes step by step through the project. One thing that I sometimes see with student projects is if you look at your worksheet and some of your numbers have like all just number symbols, or I guess hashtags is what they look like. If that fills your column, please note that that means your column width is not large enough, and you should not submit work that looks like that. You need to adjust your column width, and the lecture material will tell you how to do that. Now, then you'll see there's a series of folders here that will open on March 7th. So that's the second part of the Excel module. So there's nothing in here to display right now, so I won't really open these up. Important when you go into the Excel lecture part 2, there's 3 separate video series in that folder. You'll receive a grade for each of them. So you need to watch all 3, and again, you need to check my grades, and you'll see that grade of 100 registered for all 3 of them once you've done that. It's 3 separate grades. Then our discussion will open, and again, the discussion is the same format as the other modules. Our assignment, the idea of the assignment is really to help you, think about some questions that might be on the quiz. So make sure you complete the assignment. Assignments are not accepted late. The assignment solution file is posted at 6 a.m. the day after the assignment due date. So be aware of your due dates. Then there'll be a second Excel project. It will use the file from the first one. So it's important that you get the first one done. And then lastly, we'll have our quiz. That'll be open on March 20th. You can click on the course calendar if you want to see all the due dates for the modules. You'll see here the videos, lecture part 1, and then project 1, and then the 10th. Let me just switch my calendar to March so you could see this better. The lecture part 2, all 3 of those videos, the discussion post, and the assignment for Excel. And then you'll see this is our spring break here. So when we come back from spring break, the discussion response will be due, and the second project will be due, and you'll have to take the quiz one of these 2 days. So as always, if you have any questions, please contact me and let me know.